I hate this game. 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 That's the anomaly. Alright, awesome. Now we sprint. Alright, nothing's gonna happen! Ah! Go, 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 go! Alright, we did it. Whew. No anomaly? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. We get a flashlight, dude. We get a flashlight. How does it get progressively worse? Is it gonna jump on me? Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna la 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 la. Okay. I've been getting lucky, but maybe I shouldn't have said that, because now that I said that, it's gonna go crazy. Now that I said that, it's gonna go crazy. Damn it, I just jinxed myself. I just jinxed myself. Oh no. Oh no. That is an anomaly. I don't care. That's an anomaly. I don't care. I'm just going straight. Frick that. Frick that. It never happened before. That never happened before. Okay? That never happened before. I'm just gonna go straight. Yeah, no. Frick that sound. No, 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 no.